Hey guys, today we're going to solve a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So here is the standard form of quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a cannot be 0. And here is the quadratic formula, x equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and everything is divided by 2a. This b squared minus 4ac, which is inside the square root, is called discriminant. This part, b squared minus 4ac, without the radical sign. So without the square root sign, this number inside b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant. If this number inside is a negative number, as you know that square root of a negative number, you don't get a real number. So in that case, we can say that there is no solution. There is no real number solution. If b squared minus 4ac, or the discriminant, is equals to 0, in that case, this thing is 0, and there will be only one solution, x equals to negative b over 2a. So there will be just one unique solution in that case. And the last case, if this b squared minus 4ac is a positive number, in that case, there will be two unique real solutions. So let me show you how to do this question. I'm going to solve this question, x squared minus 12x equals to negative 20 by using the quadratic formula. The first thing I'll do is I'm going to rewrite this equation in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So let's begin. So basically, I'm going to add 20 on both sides. When you do that, this side becomes 20, and negative 20 plus 20, that is going to become 0. Now, this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. I'm going to compare this equation with this standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. So let's compare. Now, as you can see, the coefficient of x squared is 1. That means a is 1. The coefficient of xb, it's negative 12. And this constant c is 20. So let me write it down here. After this, all you have to do is plug in these numbers in this quadratic formula. Let's do this. Now remember one thing, when you substitute these numbers inside this quadratic formula, whenever you substitute inside parentheses. Let me write down the formula once again. X equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything is divided by 2a. Now b is negative 12. Remember, when I substitute inside parentheses. B is negative 12. So substitute inside parentheses again. Minus 4 times a is 1, c is 20. Everything is divided by 2 times a. 2 times 1. So let's simplify this expression now. Negative of negative 12, that's like 12, positive 12, plus minus. Negative 12 times negative 12, that's 144. Minus 4 times 1 is 4, times 20, that's 80. Everything divided by 2. (144) minus 80, that's 64. Now we all know what is square root of 64 is. It's 8. As you can see that this discriminant value 64 is a positive number. That means there will be 2 real solutions for this question, and that is true, as you can see here. So there will be one solution when you take the plus sign, and the other solution will be when you take the negative sign. So x equals to 12 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 20 divided by 2, which is just 10, is one of the solutions. The other solution is x equals to 12 minus 8, which is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So what are the solutions to this quadratic equation? There are 2 unique solutions because the discriminant is a positive number. There are 2 unique solutions, and the solutions are x equals to 10 and x equals to 2. So let me circle the answers.